Hey, it's Be-Sleeved. I know it's dark, but I'm just recording so that you guys can hear the sounds that my body makes when I eat. And this is how it goes for a good 30 minutes after I eat. And it's painful. And loud. So it's embarrassing as well as loud and painful. Does anyone else go through this after they eat? It's coming from my chest, like where your bra strap is, all the way up my throat. It's not coming out my mouth. It's not like a burp. It's just a noise that's being made from my throat down to like where your bra sits in the middle of your chest. So it's not a burp. It's like a gurgling or digesting sound or something. But I haven't been able to eat anything today without pain and these noises happening. Okay, well, I'm just gonna end the video right there. Let me know if anyone else goes through this too, or if you have and you talk to your doctor, what have they said about it? Thanks, guys.